everyone, welcome to the SST class. Today I am going to start new chapter lesson number 14, Weather and Seasons. First of all, let's discuss the big picture of this chapter. In this chapter, we will study about definition of weather, definition of seasons, types of seasons such as summer, winter, monsoon, autumn and spring in detail. Now let's have a look on the terminology of the chapter. Weather, condition of the air. Climate, the same type of weather for a long time. Season, the same type of weather for a short period. Summer, the hot season of the year. Winter, the cold season of the year. Spring, the season that comes between winter and summer. Autumn, the season that comes between summer and winter. Rainy, the season that comes between summer and autumn. Weather vane, a device that tells the direction of wind. Now today we will learn about definition of weather, definition of season, monsoon season and winter season. Also we will know about that what do we wear in these seasons, what type of weather is there in these seasons, what type of eatables do you eat in these seasons. So now open your book and let's start reading. Chapter number 14, the weather and seasons. Now what is weather? Underline the word and write down its meaning, condition of the air. Now kids, the weather changes nearly every day. Sometimes it is cold, sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is pleasant. Some days are windy and on some days rain falls. So, weather is condition of the air. Underline the word seasons and write down its meaning. Same type of weather for short period. So, when a type of weather continues for a few months, it is called a season. Okay kids? Now we will continue reading. It was Sunday. It had been raining since morning. A lot of water was collected on the streets. Now underline the word collected and write down its meaning, gathered. Children were out playing in the rain. Sonu was also having a lot of fun. He and his friends were playing football in the rain. Sonu was happy that there was no school. Underline the word happy and write down its meaning, glad. Now in this chapter there was a boy named Sonu who was playing with his friends outside in the rain on Sunday. On Sunday there was no school, so Sonu was very happy. Now we will continue reading. Sonu, there was a big shout. Underline the word shout and write down its meaning, speaking loudly. It was Sonu's father who seemed to be very angry. Underline the word seemed and write down its meaning, looked. Quickly, Sonu ran back to his house only to find his father glaring at him. Underline the word quickly and write down its meaning, fast. Underline the word glaring and write down its meaning, looking angrily. Why were you playing in the rain? Don't you know that you will fall ill? Then a voice came, Sonu. Sonu's father shouted at him. Sonu's father got angry on seeing his son playing in the rain. He scolded Sonu and asked why he had been playing in the rain. He would have fallen ill if he kept playing like this. Sonu, it was so much fun, Daddy. Daddy, if you fall ill, then you will miss school. Will that be fun too? Then Sonu replied that he had been enjoying a lot and had a great fun. Then his father asked if he kept playing in the rain, he would fall ill, then he would have to miss the school. Now we will continue reading. His father held him by his hand and took him into the washroom where he was made to change. Sonu knew that his father was right. He ought not to have played in rain. Then his father took him to washroom to change. Sonu knew that his father was correct. He ought not to be played in the rain. Now let's read your wisdom on page number 68. Do you know the instrument which is used for measuring temperature? Answer of this question is anemometer is an instrument used for measuring temperature. And kids, an instrument used to measure body temperature is known as thermometer, as you can see in the picture. Now we will continue reading. Daddy, Sonu, can you tell me what season is this? Sonu, this is a rainy season. Daddy, yes, this is the rainy or the monsoon season. After change, Sonu's father asked him name of the season. Sonu replied that it was a rainy season. His father told him that rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Now we will continue reading. Depending on the type of weather, we have seasons. There are 5 main seasons such as summer, winter, spring, autumn, and rainy. The rainy season, July to September, is also known as monsoon season. You can often see a rainbow in the sky during monsoons. Now kids, monsoon season starts from the month of July and continues till the month of September. The weather in rainy season is hot and humid. Also, on a rainy day when the rain stops and sun shines, we may see a rainbow in the sky. During rainy season, whenever we want to go out, we should use an umbrella or wear raincoats and gumboots because these are made up of rubber which protect us from rain. In this season, fruits like bananas, berries, and vegetables like gourd, ladyfinger, brinjal are eaten. People also like to have hot soup, coffee on a rainy day. Kheer pura is also eaten during monsoons. Now we will continue reading. The cold months when we have to wear warm clothes is winter. Underline the word warm and write down its meaning, cozy. Now winter season is the coldest season of the year. It starts from the month of November and continues till the month of January. In this season, cold and dry winds blow. Also, people like to eat hot food, dry fruits, hot soups during the season. We wear woolen clothes like sweaters, socks, caps, gloves to keep ourselves warm in winter. In this season, people like to eat vegetables like carrots, peas, cauliflower, and fruits like apples, oranges are eaten during this season. Now, let's read the fact. When the warm, moist air rises over mountains, it meets with cold air and turns into a cloud of tiny water droplets. Underline the word moist and write down its meaning slightly wet. Underline the word tiny and write down its meaning small. These tiny droplets combine together when they come in contact in the sky, forming larger droplets to make raindrops which fall on the earth as rain. So kids, what happened when there is so much humidity in the environment or in the atmosphere? The hot air goes up in the sky and form clouds. Then these clouds get filled with tiny droplets of water. They fall down in the form of rain. This whole process is known as water cycle. So kids, today we have learnt about what is weather, what is season, and two types of seasons, which are monsoon season and winter season. So read and revise the pages again. Thank you.